Sis, you can make this yourself. Just saying. If you see it from far, they kind of look like locks, but you come up close, you're like, oh wait, are those twists? Like, it's just a vibe. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nishay, and if you've watched my previous video, then you know we have just installed these gorgeous jumbo long Marley passion twists. And in this video, I'll show you how I style and accessorize these twists to give it that low-key boho vibe. Let's get into it. To curl my ends, I'll be using the light peach-colored 11x16 cold wave rods. I take a twist in the front and measure it against my torso where I want the curl to start. And I begin wrapping the twist around the rod from that point to the ends. Then I wrap the end of the rod diagonally around the hair like so in order to secure the twist onto the rod. I used 1 rod per twist for a total of 24 rods for 24 twists. Before dipping my hair, I place a few drops of eucalyptus oil into the hot water. It gives the hair a pleasant smell and adds a little sheen after dipping the ends. Then I take a handful of twists at a time and dip them into the boiled water. Hold for 10 seconds and then use a towel to carefully remove the twists and squeeze out the excess water. Then I take a long sleeve cotton t-shirt and place it on my back underneath the twists. I tie the sleeves around the twists and use a scrunchie around the bottom of the t-shirt. This method allows the twists to dry without any water dripping all over my back. After this step, feel free to apply your favorite mousse and then tie your hair down. So I went and got ready real quick and now I'm back. My hair has had a few hours to dry. Now I'm going to take down the rods. I am loving these curls. Quick, I'm gonna just show y'all how I attach my cowrie shells. I went to the hair store and I just bought plated cowrie shells. And then either from Walmart or Michael's, I also got these are the rings for the lobster clasps. So these are the lobster clasps and these are the rings that the lobster clasps hook into on the other side of whatever you're trying to attach together. So I got these, and then I also have a pair of pliers. I know it's a lot, but I already had these items if you're a DIYer. So I used the pliers to carefully open the ring, and while holding the ring with the pliers, I insert the other side into the twist anywhere below where my hair ends. And I slide my hair to the middle of the ring, and then I hook the cowrie shell onto the ring as well. Then I use my finger on one side and the pliers on the other side to squeeze the ring closed, and that's it. As an alternative method, you can also get the regular gold or silver hair clasps from the hair store, and I use the rings to attach the cowrie shell to it. I simply open the ring and hook it into the cowrie shell, and then I use the pliers to insert the ring into one of the little holes on the clasp, and then I squeeze the ring closed. I mean, they sell them attached already, but the hair store I went to did not have these ones attached. And when they do, they only put like 4 in there and it'd be like $2, $3. Sis, you can make this yourself. Just saying. That's it. So I'm gonna just place a few more of these cowrie shells. I'll be back. I'm back, y'all, and here is the final look. Here's a quick close-up of the other charms that I used. I love this style. This is it for me. This is doing what I wanted and expected it to do and then some. It's such a quick and easy style. And as you can see, honey, there are no knots. There are no rubber bands peeking through. This is perfect. The hair is a little bit heavy. I do notice that there is some weight on my head, but it is not tight. It is not pulling to where it's uncomfortable or I know I'm gonna get a headache or feel pain or anything. This is nice. I love these. Almost busted my behind. Hey y'all, I am back. Before I end this video, I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a final review of my jumbo twists. It has been 4 weeks that I have had this style in, and let me tell y'all, yes, it gets better with time. This style has served me well these last 4 weeks, but with the tension from the weight of these twists, you know, by it growing out, it is definitely time to take these out. Do not put these little thingies, do not put them in. I honestly regret putting these in my hair because one, the hair kept snagging on these little parts here, my hair and the extension here, so it kept, you know, getting tangled and ripping, and it was just annoying. So I would not put those in. Before I put this style in, I did get my ends clipped, and I also do think having the hair accessory pulling and tugging also caused some of the hair to come out of place quicker than I would have liked. But ultimately, it still looks good. It still looks natural. In terms of hair care and maintenance, I do the same routine. If you have not already, check out my nighttime and maintenance routine. It's the same routine that I use for my mini twist. I will link that up above and down below. So feel free to check that out. It is starting to get a bit itchy. It's synthetic hair and it's long and it's been through a lot. And the more it grows out, it does get heavier. You do start to feel that weight more as it grows out. But by the time you do feel this tension, it's time to take it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys try these twists. If you guys try either of my techniques, send me pics, sis. I want to see. With my mini twist video, like, so many people tried the technique and they have sent like pictures. So please, y'all, I love the pictures. Please send them to me. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. God bless. I don't know what to call them. I feel like they should be something like a Marley passion twist or something like that, you know? I don't know. We'll see.